Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating a recovery services vault in the same region as your VM. That's essential. Once created, choose Backup, set the backup goal to Azure Virtual Machine, and select the VM resource group. Then make sure you assign contributor or backup operator role to the person or service principal that will manage backups. This gets permissions and storage ready. Once done, you can move to configuring protection and policies immediately. Don't pause here. Now configure a backup policy that matches recovery objectives. Choose daily or hourly snapshots, retention points, and long-term retention for monthly or yearly needs. Make sure to enable soft delete and server-side encryption. This protects backups from accidental deletion and secures data at rest. If Azure prompts, install the VM backup extension or the VM agent on the VM. This is required for consistent snapshots. Once the policy is attached, you're ready to enable protection for the VM and schedule the first snapshot. Trigger an on-demand backup and watch the job details in the vault. Make sure it completes without warnings. Once the initial job finishes, perform a test restore to a recovery VM or restore disks, validating boot and application consistency. After verification, schedule regular backups and review alerts. If a job fails, first check the VM agent and Azure Backup extension status, confirm the VM can reach Azure storage endpoints, and verify.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.